In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the meeting time zone in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you work with people into different countries or if you're traveling and want to make sure your meetings show at the right local time. I'll walk you through the process step by step and you can follow along in your own Teams app. First, open Microsoft Teams and look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, like activity, chat, and so on. What you want to click is the calendar icon on the left. This opens your Teams calendar, which shows all your upcoming meetings and events. Once your calendar is open, look near the top right area of the screen for the option to create a new meeting. Click on New Meeting. This will open a meeting setup window where you can enter the meeting title, invite participants, and set the date and time. Even if you're not ready to send out the invite yet, this is where you need to go to adjust the time zone for the meeting. In this meeting setup view, take a look at the date and time fields. Just above or near those fields, you should see an option related to the time zone. It might appear as a small drop-down that shows your current time zone. Click on this time zone option. When you do, a list of available time zones will appear. Scroll through the list and choose the time zone you want the meeting to follow. For example, if you're scheduling a meeting for colleagues in another region, select their local time zone so the meeting time makes sense for them. Once you pick the correct time zone, you'll notice that the meeting's date and time adjust according to that selection. After you've chosen the right time zone and set your meeting details, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually found toward the upper right corner of the meeting window, and click on Save. This confirms your time zone selection and applies it to the meeting. That's all you need to do. By opening